I ate breakfast. I ate breakfast. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. I closed the window. I closed the window. I brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth. I drank water. I drank water. I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone. I combed my hair. I combed my hair. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. I wrote my name. I wrote my name. I turned off the fan. I turned off the fan. I washed the dishes. I washed the dishes. I picked up the book. I picked up the book. I washed my hands. I washed my hands.
I had missed the bus that day. I had missed the bus that day.
I was feeling nervous at that time. I was feeling nervous at that time. I lost my phone yesterday. I lost my phone yesterday. I had finished my work. I had finished my work. I was feeling sad then. I was feeling sad then. I had opened the door. I had opened the door. I was lying on the bed then. I was lying on the bed then. I was very hungry at that time. I was very hungry at that time. I had been cleaning my room. I had been cleaning my room. I put the book on the table. I put the book on the table. I was walking alone then. I was walking alone then. I was walking slowly then. I was walking slowly then. I bought some fruits. I bought some fruits. I had broken the glass. I had broken the glass. I was sitting on the chair. I was sitting on the chair. I was very tired at that time. I was very tired at that time. I had lost my bag. I had lost my bag. I was in the market at that time. I was in the market at that time. I had eaten breakfast. I had eaten breakfast.
I was very thirsty then. I was very thirsty then.
I was very calm then. I was very calm then. I had left my bag at home. I had left my bag at home. I had taken a shower. I had taken a shower. I was very busy at that moment. I was very busy at that moment. I had washed my hands. I had washed my hands. I was with my friend then. I was with my friend then. I was with my mother at that time. I was with my mother at that time.